Welcome back to my channel, and we have looked at how we can construct an isometric circle. So what I want to do now is to change this isometric circle and make it an isometric cylinder. So what we need to do that, and if you are watching my video for the first time, thank you, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And as I said, this channel will help you to improve on your technical drawing skill. So all you need to do is to subscribe, put on notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you're notified, and share my videos with your friends who are technical drawing students. Very important, you need to practice this subject because it is a practical subject for you to be good at it. So as I said, that I want to transform this into an isometric cylinder. So what you need to do is to know the height of the cylinder, and diameter of the isometric circle is still 50 millimeters as we have done before. So the height of the isometric cylinder is 70 millimeters. So what I need to do is that from this point B here, from point B here on the isometric square, so we draw a vertical line. We draw a vertical line down here, and this line is okay, not straight. Okay, so I'll just take it again. So we come to this point here, point C. We also draw a vertical line. Then we come to point A here. We draw a vertical line like this. Okay, so I will now take a measurement of 70 millimeters on this line. See, I can take it here, I can take it here, anywhere that I like. So I just take 70 millimeters here. So this is 70. So then I'm going to transfer this point to the other lines. So I'll transfer this here, then I will also transfer this. So I'll transfer it here like this. Then I'm going to bring down this midpoint where we have this G. I'm going to bring it down because we have to locate this midpoint also here. Okay, so I'll also bring this one, I'll bring it down here. All right, so with what I've done here, so I will need to complete this square, this down square. I will complete it partially, though I'm not going to use everything. So then I will also complete this one partially like this. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is to transfer the midpoint. I will transfer this midpoint here, I will transfer it to the other side. Also this midpoint here, I will transfer it to the other side. So which means if I'm to label this, so this will be point A. This is point A, so let me call it A prime. So this is point B prime, as we have AB up there. So this is point C prime. So this is point D prime. Okay, so this is point E prime, and this is point F prime, this is point G prime, and this is point H prime. Okay, to differentiate it from the ones that we have up there. So the next thing that we are going to do, as we have done before, is to join the longest diagonal, that is distance AC or diagonal AC. So we join the longest diagonal like this. Okay, then I'm going to from B here, so I'm going to join BH together. So join BH together, then I will join BE together, BE prime, B prime, E prime. I'll join them together. So I've joined B prime, H prime together. Okay, now so the center that we are going to use, I don't have to do that of D with F prime and G prime. So we already have this point. So this is center 1 and this is center 2 here. So this is what we are going to make use of. So this is center 1 here. So here we have center 1, and here we have center 2. Okay, so we have this. So the next thing I'm going to do is to take my compass, and I'm not going to draw as I drew here, as I drew from here to here. I'm not going to draw everything. So because only for the base of the cylinder, it's only the face or the part that is facing me that we have to produce its curve. So it's not going to be like this. So it's going to be half from here. So from this point, so we produce from this point to this point. That's where we are going to that's what we are going to produce for the base of the cylinder. So all I need to do is to put the midpoint of my compass at center 1 here and extend it to F here. I will extend it to F, then I will draw a curve meeting the diagonal here, meeting it here. So we stop it here. This is where it will stop it. Okay, then I will come here also on center 2 and do the same thing. So on center 2 I will do the same thing here. Okay, so this is it. I will also stop it on longest diagonal. Now I will take the pinpoint of my compass to point G and I will extend it. So I will extend it to point G here. Okay, extending it to point G. Okay, then I will draw an arc like this. So draw an arc. Draw like this. So draw an arc like this. Okay. Alright, so we have produced half part of the isometric circle. So as I said that when you draw from here, it will end here on this longest diagonal, and when you draw from here, it will end on this longest diagonal here. Okay, so the next thing that we are going to do is to join these points on longest diagonal and this point on longest diagonal, we join them together. So what I'm saying is this, so we join these 2 points together like this. So just draw like this. Okay, so also this point on longest diagonal and this point, so we join them together. So this is it. Okay, so you can see now, so we have the isometric cylinder in place, as simple as I've shown it here. All you need to do is to practice. Thank you, and keep on practicing. God bless you.